or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super cute accessories to give our LABUBU a massive glow up. And obviously if you want to make these little accessories, you should have some sort of base to do it on. And as you guys can see here, I did some makeup, skincare, contacts, everything to make our LABUBU look like a baddie. And as you guys know, this is going to be a 3-part series. So this is the second part, and then the third part I'm going to do like a little ASMR of like applying all this stuff onto our paper squishy. As you guys know, paper squishies take a little while because there's so many steps, but these are really easy and I can make a whole bunch more, which I'm probably gonna do for the third video. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let's get started with the tutorial. The materials you'll be needing is paper. I'm just gonna be using this little Ohuhu notebook because it's bleed proof and it's gonna be super useful for our little 2D accessories. Some colorful markers, a pencil, scissors, and some clear tape. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna make a little list of all the accessories I want to make. I think eyelashes are very important, so I'm definitely gonna put mascara, blush as well, some colored contacts, so we should do that again because the LABUBU's eyes are huge. Okay, I'm gonna put lipstick as well, even though the lips are kind of non-existent. Face mask and make it like a flavor of some sort. Moisturizer, I'm not sure how to spell this either. That is definitely not the right spelling. And then I started brainstorming some other ideas that just popped into my head. I thought a skincare headband would be really cute for when we do like the moisturizer steps and also the makeup. I thought earrings would be a really cute idea too, since the ears are so massive. I was thinking like some little gold hoops and just little things like that to give our LABUBU a really great makeover. Now I'm gonna move on to a fresh page because we're gonna just start out by sketching out all of our accessories. So I think I'm gonna start off with the makeup. So the first item I drew was a little mascara bottle, and I thought it would be really cute to put like a little LABUBU head right on top of the cap of the mascara bottle. All the parts for that, and then I moved on to making a little lipstick, which was also really cute. And for the blush, I needed like something circular to trace, so I just grabbed this glass lid from my bathroom. It was like the perfect size, so I just had to trace it twice and it made like a little compact. For the contacts, I just got a piece of paper, placed it on top of the squishy, and traced the eye shapes and then cut it out. I traced the shape onto the paper and I did a little case for them as well. And I just erased everything lightly so we can prep for the next step, which is outlining. And you could pretty much use anything. I'm just using this black Muji pen and I'm basically just going over everything again just so it looks cleaner. You could also skip this step if you want to and just go straight into coloring, but I always like outlining because I just like how it looks. For my color scheme, I wanted everything to pop out, so I picked some really bright colors like pink, blue, turquoise, and yeah, I also kind of tried to pick colors that would match well together. And for the contact colors, I decided to go with this green because I feel like a LABUBU with green eyes would look really cool. And for the blush, I picked this bright neon pink because it just popped out to me. Yeah, I just finished coloring everything else. Alright guys, so I just finished coloring everything on this page, and all we need to do now is like the little moisturizer and serum, skincare stuff, which is gonna be on a separate page. I'm gonna laminate it just so it's prepped, and then we're gonna go to the next page and kind of finish the rest. Alright guys, now I'm going to move on to the second page and do our little skincare stuff real quick and basically laminate it and cut it all out. Okay guys, a little hack is that when you want something to be like just the right size, I just have this little piece of notebook paper, so I'm just going to place it on top of our squishy and kind of trace out where the face is. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like a rough estimate. Big enough circles for the eyes to like pop out from, and the mouth. I kind of forgot about this. Now I'm going to cut it out. And keep cutting. Okay, well this looks a little creepy, but now I'm just gonna put it right on top of the paper that I'm working with because again, we could use this, but it's a little too flimsy and I like this paper because it's like more firm and stuff. So I'm just gonna place it on top and trace it. After tracing, I just drew like a little bottle of product to the side. Then I took my black pen and outlined all of the pencil marks. Alright guys, so turns out I thought I was recording the whole process of me like coloring this, but apparently I wasn't. So sorry about that guys, but this is basically how it turned out. I'm just like laminating it right now. The little theme, if you guys didn't guess already, it's basically gonna be like a little strawberry face mask. Alright guys, now that we're finally done, I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut everything out. First on this page because the other one has like double-sided pieces. And right about here, the cutting process was getting a little tedious because I had to cut out like all the little blobs of product. And then I had to cut out the little eye and mouth holes from the face mask, which required a little bit of skill because we had to cut around it, making sure to not ruin the mask. And then I had a whole another page to cut out, so I was just trying to not go crazy and making sure I didn't mess up because my hands are getting pretty tired and these things were like tiny, but it wasn't that bad. Alright guys, so now that we have all of the little items cut out and colored and laminated, I'm going to take just these two items because these are going to be the double-sided ones. So as you guys can see, they're obviously bland at the back, and I actually need to cut like this little leftover piece of tape really quick. So this is actually going to be the little case for the contacts. So the contacts are just going to be popped into here. So I'm just going to turn this around and color it yellow and do the little line in the middle. And for the compact, as you guys can see, it's going to be closed like this. I'm just going to color it and laminate it, and then we'll be practically done with all of our little accessories. And to color these two items, I'm just putting it on top of this little notebook paper because I'm basically going to color it like messy, and I don't want to get anything like stained with like marker. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cover the piece of paper with the color and just making lines so we can get it all yellow. I'm just gonna put that little black line right here in the middle, and I'm gonna place a piece of tape right on top just so it's laminated on both sides. Then I went in on every corner and cut a little rectangle off just so we can fold the pieces of tape easier on the sides. And now we have our finished little contacts case. Moving on to the compact, I use like this little light purple on this side, so I'm just gonna do the same thing and just color it all in, making sure that it's even. And it's okay if we go outside of the line because again we have that little protective piece of paper under. And since it's LABUBU themed, I'm just going to draw like a cute little LABUBU outline. Hopefully I don't mess this up because I'm not sketching or anything. I'm just going straight in with the pen, so I'm gonna try my best. Her eyes are going to be closed like this, the little nose, the smile of course with the spiky teeth. I'm going to do cute little eyelashes, and I'm just going to do small little details. So I'm just going to color with a darker purple right here, around the ears, and around the face. Alright guys, so here is a little overview of all of our little accessories all cut out and finished. So of course we have the little face mask with the tube, we have the mascara, contacts, blush, brush, and a little lipstick. All look super cute and ready to be used on our LABUBU, which obviously needs a humongous glow up. And I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of how the things will work. So I mean, you have to pretend with a couple of these. For the mascara, we could just dip it inside of the tube and then apply it on. We can add a little blush with this palette right here, so we can get some and put it on her just like this. And of course we need to put the little face mask, so we're just gonna put some on. OMG guys, look, it worked. And also the green contacts, OMG, those kind of look scary. And don't forget guys, I'm gonna be doing a whole video of giving it an actual makeover with all of these little things that we made today, with like sound effects and like ASMR style. So don't miss that video because that will be the third part of this little LABUBU transformation series. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making all of these cute little accessories to give the LABUBU a massive glow up. And don't forget guys, you don't have to make all of these things that I showed you guys. These were obviously just ideas, but you could do it so much more, like skincare, specific brands, more makeup, and you could just get creative with it. I think I'll make a few more for the grand finale of this little LABUBU series. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you tried to make these accessories and if you also made the LABUBU head, because obviously these go hand in hand to work with each other. So I want to see what you guys say. I love you guys so much. Don't miss part 3, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.